Welcome back to the Olmsted Workshop. I'm your host, Jordan Olmsted, and today we're going to be taking a very quick look at an easy-to-make leather repair. So here we have a broken clasp to this leather purse strap that we're going to enact some repairs on. We're going to just start by punching a new hole into where we're going to place a rivet. By punching a clean hole ahead of time, this will allow us to essentially locate the replacement rivet that we're going to use to match this. And I'm going to be using a little contact cement in between the two layers to help preserve some of this stitching. Now that we've got that hole punched in, I'm going to be using these little Japanese scissors that I got out of a seam ripper kit to very carefully reach between these stitches and cut this piece loose. And I'm very carefully just opening this up because I don't want to lose this stitching. And since I'm not planning on stitching it again, I'm just going to be applying some contact cement to the inside of this leather. As you can see, contact cement will get everywhere if you allow it to. I'm just going to be applying a little bit to the back of these stitches. And per the instructions, you should wait 15 minutes for it to start to get kind of glossy and tacky. And then it'll bond on contact. I'm going to be putting a rivet in here, so I'm not too worried about that time limit. You see we have this broken gold clasp, and we've got a new one here. I'm going to go ahead and slide that in there. And as that lines up with the hole we made earlier, I'm going to go ahead and place one of these gold rivets through it and attach the cap. These are double button cap rivets, so we can just slide it into place there. And using this little rivet anvil, I'm going to line cap of that top one up and then use the matching one here. I usually have a small hammer for this. Couldn't find it, so I'm just using a ball peen. It only takes a couple of light taps. You can feel when it sits, and as you can see, that rivet's not going to go anywhere. Thanks for stopping by the Olmsted Workshop. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you next time.